The top augmented reality (AR) devices combine cutting-edge technology with immersive experiences, revolutionizing industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and entertainment. From enterprise-focused headsets to consumer-friendly smart glasses, these devices offer innovative features such as hand tracking, real-time data overlays, and seamless integration, pushing the boundaries of digital interaction. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 6. RealWear HMT-1. The RealWear HMT-1 is a rugged, hands-free wearable computer designed for industrial environments. It features a high-definition, voice-controlled display that provides workers with critical information without the need to use their hands, allowing them to stay focused on their tasks. Built for durability, the HMT-1 is IP66, rated for dust and water resistance, making it ideal for harsh conditions in industries like manufacturing, oil and gas, and field service. With real-time remote support, augmented reality overlays, and a robust processing unit, the HMT-1 enhances productivity, safety, and efficiency for frontline workers in various sectors. Number 5. Meta Quest Pro Microsoft HoloLens 2 is an advanced mixed reality headset designed for professional and enterprise use. It features a highly immersive experience with improved comfort, a wider field of view, and hand-tracking capabilities. Powered by a custom-built holographic processing unit, HPU, it blends digital holograms with the real world for applications in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and education. With features like eye tracking, intuitive gestures, and voice commands, HoloLens 2 offers a seamless, interactive environment for collaboration and productivity. Number 4. Epson Moverio BT300. The Epson Moverio BT300 is a smart augmented reality headset designed for both industrial and consumer use. Equipped with a high-resolution OLED display, it offers crystal-clear visuals with a wide field of view, making it ideal for immersive AR experiences. The BT300 features a lightweight, comfortable design with built-in sensors for precise tracking and a robust processing unit. It's often used in industries like healthcare, logistics, and field service, providing real-time information and remote assistance. The headset also supports hands-free operation, enabling users to interact with digital content while maintaining full awareness of their surroundings. Number 3. N-Real Light. The N-Real Light is a lightweight, stylish augmented reality headset designed for consumers and developers. It features high-definition displays with a wide field of view, allowing users to experience immersive AR applications and digital content seamlessly integrated into the real world. Compatible with smartphones via a USB-C connection, the N-Real Light enables interactive experiences in gaming, entertainment, and productivity. Its compact design, comfortable fit, and advanced features make it one of the most accessible AR devices for everyday use. Number 2. Lenovo ThinkReality A3. The Lenovo ThinkReality A3 is a versatile augmented reality headset designed for enterprise applications. It offers a lightweight and comfortable design, featuring a pair of AR glasses that can connect to compatible devices like laptops or smartphones. With a high-resolution display and customizable configurations, it enhances productivity by enabling users to interact with multiple virtual displays and data overlays in real time. Ideal for industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and remote collaboration. The ThinkReality A3 supports both hands-free and gesture-based interactions. Number 1. Microsoft HoloLens 2. Microsoft HoloLens 2 is an advanced mixed reality headset designed for professional and enterprise use. It features a highly immersive experience with improved comfort, a wider field of view, and hand-tracking capabilities. Powered by a custom-built holographic processing unit, HPU, it blends digital holograms with the real world for applications in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and education. With features like eye tracking, intuitive gestures, and voice commands, HoloLens 2 offers a seamless interactive environment for collaboration and productivity. So guys, that's all for that. Like the video, comment, And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.